Welcome to this tutorial on how to add non-Fidelity accounts to your Fidelity account. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process so you can easily manage all of your investments in one place. First, log into your Fidelity account with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trades section on the main menu. From there, look for a link or option that says Link Accounts or Add External Accounts. Click on that to start the process. You will be prompted to enter the details of your non-Fidelity account. This typically includes the account number, the institution's name, and sometimes additional information like the account type. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any issues. After entering the necessary details, follow the prompts to link your account successfully. It may take a few moments for Fidelity to confirm the connection. Once your non-Fidelity account is linked, you will be able to view your balances and transactions directly within your Fidelity dashboard. This makes it easier to keep track of your overall financial picture. If you encounter any issues during this process, Fidelity's customer support is available to help you with any questions. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.